think that art is actually a feeling. It's a dialogue between yourself and can be with others. I'm really trying to create this world where I can create memories through food and art. I see myself as a contemporary culinary artist.
I feel like the process of bringing a dish to life isn't instantaneous, it isn't immediate. And I learned to kind of transfer that into the artwork and be precious, be meticulous with the start, season it from the get-go, you season it from the jump and allow the flavours to build through. And I think that's the same with a piece of art, whether that's the concept, a sketch, kind of take your time with it and then understand gradually what you can add, what you can take away. So when I'm doing a surrealist piece, it's almost putting visuals to an inner surreal world. I often feel that only I can understand the artwork, my artwork, until I see how familiar it is with other people. I feel like ideas are things and like ideas do come through people. So if you don't act on an idea, I believe the idea is still going to come to life through someone else, and if you decide to act on it, then that's your path, that's your calling. My son just existing is the North Star that I need. As soon as he entered this world, it was like I was given a whole new meaning and a whole new drive to create a path, to create a legacy. He's 7, he's done jiu-jitsu since he was 4. He does it 3 times a week. Seeing someone dedicated to something they love at such an early age reminds me that at my big age, to stay focused and stay disciplined, because the rewards do come. It's the same with gym, it's the same with anything. It's just like consistency is the winner.
Colourist Spaces was an opportunity for me to merge worlds together, to build a new world from things I love. So taking my culinary path in that whole world and the art world that I've been pursuing for a while, and just trying to configure a way for them to respond to each other, to converse with each other, and create a language that people can understand and get involved with. So it was a project that I worked on for about 6 months. And I've met a lot of people along that journey that were interested in the things that I was, and also the people that came to experience Colourist Spaces were just incredible and super receptive to the whole concept, and it's definitely fueled me to do more expressive artwork and installations that are new to me and might be new to other people. Art is more than a visual language. It is rooted in a feeling, and whether that's through tactile sculpture, whether that's through food, sound, I think the category of art, artists in general, is a huge umbrella, and there's so many mediums that can be expressed by.
You can really exhibit or choose a practice that is catered to your life. You might be into water polo, paintballing, and something else, but you feel like there's a chemistry there, there's a dialogue there that you want to blend together and that you feel is beautiful. So hopefully I can inspire people to take the elements of their life that they love and put it in a frame and present it to the world, and it might resonate with other people, and that's what I tried to do.